In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn cashback in Amazon Pay quickly and effectively, all within just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to maximize your savings on everyday purchases, or just curious about how the process works, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and concisely. First, let's begin by going to Amazon's website. Once you're on the home page, look for the account sign in option. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and click on sign in. Here, you'll need to enter your email address and continue to the next step. It's important to ensure the email you use is linked to your Amazon account, as this will be the email associated with any rewards or cashback you earn. After entering your email, proceed by typing in your password. Once you're signed in, you're ready to start exploring cashback opportunities available through Amazon Pay. To earn Amazon Pay cashback, the initial step is to make sure you have eligible cashback offers available on your account. These offers are typically based on promotions or purchases you make through the Amazon platform, so keep an eye on any new or updated deals. It's essential to carefully meet the terms and conditions of any offers you're interested in. This might include making a purchase of a certain value or buying specific items included in a promotion. Once you ensure your transaction qualifies, the cashback credited will generally appear directly in your Amazon Pay balance as an Amazon gift card. This balance effectively increases your buying power on the platform. Don't forget to check your rewards page, which is where you'll need to collect any rewards you've earned. This step is sometimes overlooked, but it's crucial to ensure that your cashback is successfully processed and added to your account. Now, how exactly do you earn these rewards? Well, you can do so by shopping, paying bills, or making other payments through Amazon Pay. These rewards are not just limited to typical Amazon shopping, but extend to gift cards, food, travel, and even entertainment purchases. Once your rewards have been properly collected, you can use them for future Amazon purchases. This added balance can also be used at partner merchants who have integrated Amazon Pay as a payment option. So the next time you're making a purchase, check if an Amazon Pay option is available, as this could streamline your checkout process and even earn you more rewards. Finally, for the most up-to-date information on available cashback offers, always refer to your rewards page within the Amazon Pay section. This page consolidates all the relevant offers, making it easy for you to take full advantage of the savings opportunities available to you. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll effectively earn cashback with Amazon Pay, saving some money while enjoying your shopping experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your online savings.